Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJTK. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Past couple of days have been very nice for the chart, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, you can see by far the past couple of days have produced the most amount of volume that this chart has seen for quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 0026. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0026, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, so this, of course, assumes you have more of a broader time horizon. But from the big picture, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view in terms of, hey, Clay, how do I gauge the health of the current price movement? This right here being defined as the movement. How do you gauge the health of that? Well, again, circling back to that purple line, as the purple line moves higher and higher, as long as the price stays above the line, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no doubt about it. Again, yeah, if it can stay above 0026, that would be fantastic, but from the big picture of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, key level of resistance right up here around 0036. Yeah, I get it. The price went up above there a couple of times, but I'm just kind of trying to split the difference and find the main point of price congestion. And hopefully we can all agree that, there was definitely quite a bit of price congestion right around 0036. Sometimes the price did get above it. Other times the price didn't quite hit it. So in the spirit of trying to find that middle ground, I'm just going to go ahead and call that 0036. Point being though, this really doesn't matter that much because as long as the price builds higher bases, then eventually the rest of the pieces of the puzzle will fall into place. And, one of those pieces being this resistance level will be broken. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher lows, higher bases, and the rest of the chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.